Right in the middle of scrolling through old photos, long before you even think about backups, you suddenly notice how messy things have become. Screenshots mixed with memories, folders half organized, and faces you remember but cannot quickly find. And that is where Photoprism, Immich, Nextcloud, and Filerun step into focus. Photoprism is built with one clear priority: understanding your photos. It uses powerful indexing and machine learning features to recognize faces, locations, and objects, turning chaotic libraries into something searchable and meaningful. Because of that, it feels almost like a private version of a smart photo service. The interface is clean, the browsing experience is smooth, and once everything is indexed, finding a specific moment becomes surprisingly fast. It rewards patience during setup with long-term clarity. Immich takes a more emotional approach, closely mimicking the experience of modern smartphone photo apps. Automatic backups, timeline views, and familiar gestures make it feel instantly comfortable. This familiarity bridges the gap between convenience and ownership, allowing users to leave big cloud providers without sacrificing usability. Immich still feels fast-moving and ambitious, which makes it exciting, though it also means updates and changes come quickly. Nextcloud enters from a broader angle. Photos are just one part of a much larger ecosystem. Alongside them live documents, calendars, contacts, and collaborative tools, all tied together in one platform. This creates a digital workspace rather than a dedicated photo library, and that distinction matters. Photo management in Nextcloud is capable, but it shines most when photos are part of a bigger workflow, shared and edited alongside other files. Filerun shifts the focus again, centering on file management first and visuals second. It feels like a modern web-based file explorer, fast and responsive, with strong support for previews, permissions, and sharing. For users who think in folders and structures, Filerun feels natural and efficient. While it does not lean heavily into artificial intelligence or automatic organization, its strength lies in speed, stability, and simplicity. Choosing between these tools depends on how you interact with your memories. If you want intelligent organization, Photoprism stands out. If you want a phone-like experience with full control, Immich feels familiar. If you want everything in one place, Nextcloud makes sense. If you want fast, reliable file access, Filerun delivers. And as the last thumbnail loads and the clutter finally makes sense, you stop thinking about the software entirely, which is probably the point.